if an interstellar object whirling through our solar system is actually a nuclear-powered spacecraft sent by aliens to test how humans respond?
As we look up at the stars, we're often reminded of how much we still don't know about the universe. We see distant lights, each one possibly harboring secrets we've yet to uncover. The ancient sky watchers once believed that comets were celestial omens, symbols of change or warnings. But today, science has given us a whole new perspective. The comets we once feared or revered are now the key to unlocking the history of our solar system and perhaps the origins of life itself. In this age of scientific discovery, tools like 3i/Atlas are changing how we see the cosmos. Through the fusion of artificial intelligence and cutting-edge research, this system enables us to explore the vastness of space like never before, helping us understand comets and other celestial phenomena with unprecedented clarity. For centuries, comets have captured our imagination. In ancient civilizations, they were seen as harbingers of disaster or change. Whether as omens of political upheaval or signals from the gods, their appearance in the sky was never ignored. But over time, our understanding evolved. With the invention of telescopes and the advancement of scientific methods, astronomers began to realize that comets were not just signs but important objects in understanding the universe. The 17th century saw pioneers like Kepler and Newton start to dissect the mysteries of comets using the very first telescopes. But even with those advances, they couldn't fully grasp the scale and nature of these cosmic travelers. Fast forward to today, and we have 3i/Atlas, a tool that can analyze comets in ways that earlier scientists could only dream of. With 3i/Atlas, we now have the ability to study their chemical composition, track their movements, and even predict their future paths, all with the help of artificial intelligence. So, how exactly does 3i/Atlas revolutionize comet research? This system utilizes massive amounts of data collected from telescopes, satellites, and space observatories. It then processes this data using advanced AI algorithms to track the subtle changes in comet behavior that would be nearly impossible for humans to detect. From analyzing the light emitted by a comet to detecting the temperature of its tail, 3i/Atlas allows scientists to get a detailed look into the inner workings of these celestial bodies. It doesn't just stop at observing them. It helps predict how these comets will move through the solar system, giving us an opportunity to study the future of our solar system in real time. But what makes 3i/Atlas truly unique is its ability to predict potential risks, like a comet's path toward Earth. By simulating these events, we get early warnings of any possible collision, helping us take preventive measures. The power of 3i/Atlas doesn't just stop at studying comets. It's making waves in other fields too. For example, in medicine, AI is now being used to analyze medical images, helping doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and quickly. In agriculture, AI tools similar to 3i/Atlas are helping farmers optimize crop production by analyzing everything from soil health to weather patterns. But as with any new technology, 3i/Atlas brings its own set of challenges. One of the biggest concerns is privacy. The sheer amount of data that is collected and analyzed by AI systems can pose ethical dilemmas, especially when it involves personal or sensitive information. Moreover, as we rely more on systems like 3i/Atlas, we must be cautious about the potential consequences if these technologies were to fail. What happens if the data is wrong, or if the predictions are inaccurate? These are critical questions to address. Finally, we must consider the environmental impact. The energy required to power AI systems and data centers can be substantial, and it's crucial that we find sustainable solutions to balance technological progress with environmental responsibility. Looking forward, the role of technologies like 3i/Atlas in space exploration will only continue to grow. Imagine the possibility of sending manned missions to other planets, or even exploring asteroids with the help of these AI systems, which can predict environmental conditions and make real-time decisions to ensure the success of the missions. But beyond space, 3i/Atlas will have a broader impact here on Earth. From improving educational systems to creating smarter, more sustainable energy solutions, the possibilities are vast. In the coming decades, 3i/Atlas could be at the center of innovations that could change how we interact with the planet, solve environmental problems, and enhance scientific discovery in many fields. As we wrap up this video, we challenge you to think about the future. The technologies we're creating today, like 3i/Atlas, aren't just tools for understanding the stars. They are our way of understanding the world and shaping a better tomorrow. The question is, how will we use this knowledge? The responsibility lies with us, to ensure that we harness this power responsibly, protecting our future and our planet. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. The stars are just the beginning.